So hello friends, welcome back to our channel Concept with Clarity 1. In this lecture we will try to see a 4 variable K-map. In the last lecture we have seen up to 3 variable. So in a 4 variable K-map, if the number of inputs are 4, then we will be using 4 variable K-map for the minimization of the Boolean function. 4 variable K-map means 16 cells. Okay, 16 cells, already I have drawn this one, 16 cells, and my inputs are, let us take A, B, C, D. And you see here also the numbering will be in the gray code sequence. The numbering goes like this. This is 0, 1, 2 is here, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and 8 will be written here, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay, so this is how you number the 4 variable K-map. Okay, first you need to learn how to that K-map diagram we have to draw. Okay, how to draw, then only you can go for plotting the ones and mapping them, right? So in the 4 variable K-map, possible mappings. So what are the possible mappings are 1. If 8 ones are adjacent to each other, then it is an octet mapping. 8 ones adjacent to each other. And second one is a quad. So 4 ones adjacent to each other is a quad mapping, and I can also have a pair mapping. That means 2 ones adjacent to each other. Okay, so without wasting time, directly we'll go into a problem. Okay, minimize f is equals to sigma m of 0, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 14. We need to minimize this by using a K-map. Okay, so highest number is 14, then it is in the range of 0 to 15 is 16 numbers, so it's a 4 variable K-map, right? So let me draw the K-map first. Okay, 4 variable 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you are watching this video, you also draw along with me, then only it will be easier for you, okay, to learn this one. So this is A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B and A, B bar, C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D and C, D bar. Okay, my numbering goes like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, right? So let me plot the ones, then we'll go for the mapping. So I have a 1 at 0, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12 and 14. Okay, so now we will see what are the mappings possible. What are the mappings? Well, first of all, my preference should be for an octet. Let us see if there is an octet in this or not. Okay, so you see here I have this one 0, 4, 12, 8 and 2, 6, 14, 18. This is an octet. My first preference is for an octet. Okay, so this is an octet mapping, right? Similarly, I can have a quad mapping also here. Okay, what is this? Because once we are folding the K-map, if they are touching each other, then also it is a mapping, right? And I have a quad mapping here. Okay, this is one quad, 2, 3 and 10, 11. This is a quad. Okay, only 2 mappings, rest of all the ones are now mapped. Okay, therefore my answer will be f is equals to what is this? Octet. Octet, you see here, any which is the common variable you need to check. Okay, so A and B both are varying here, and here C bar and here C is also varying, only D bar is common, plus, so what is the quad mapping here? Okay, A and B are varying, so here CD and CD bar. So A and V here, AB bar, and this is AB bar and A bar B bar. So B bar is common, and here what is common here? C. Okay, therefore F is equals to D bar plus B bar C is the answer. Okay, you can go and minimize in the traditional method also, like I have already shown in the 2 variable and 3 variable K map. Okay, I have shown a simple trick how to minimize how to there is a one simple trick to minimize the write the minimized equation if you are unable to check the common terms here, right? So this is the answer. Now let us try another example. Okay, let us try another example. Okay, I am taking it as random. F is equals to sigma m of okay 0 1 3 6 7 8 9 10 13 14 15. Let us take this one. Okay, I have taken it randomly, right? So anything what we have to do, first of all we need to plot it and then we will try for mapping and all. Okay, so you see here, so this is my K map 1 2 4 variable K map. So this is A B C D, A bar B bar, A bar B, A B, A B bar, C bar D bar, C bar D, C D and C D bar. Okay, so what are the numberings here? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. Okay, so you see here, let me plot all these things. 0 1 3 6 7 8 9 10 13 14 and 15. Okay, now let us try to map all these things. Okay, now let us see what are the possible mappings here. Okay, do I have an octet? No octet is present. Okay, let us try for quads. Okay, you see here I have a quad 1. This is my quad number 1. Okay, and I have a quad number 2 also, quad number 2. Okay, now so what is left here? Only this one and this one, right? So what we have to do, our aim is to map all the ones. Okay, so I will go with a pair here. This is 3 and I will, you see here I can map this 3 with 1 or 7. Okay, both are correct only, both are correct. Okay, so I can map it here or I can map it with 7 also, both are correct, right? So I can map this one again. 13 can be mapped with 9 or 15, that is also both are correct. Okay, therefore 5. Therefore I can write the answer directly. F is equals to, so for quad number 1 what is common? This is B bar is common and here C, this is C bar. So B bar C bar plus quad number 2 is this one, right? Here B is common and C is common, right? And for third one this is a pair. This is A C D bar plus for the fourth one what is common? A bar B bar D, and for the fifth one, so this is my fifth one, right? So A B and D, right? So this is my answer, minimized answer in the one step. Okay, so this is a 4 variable K map, right? It is easier if you can understand how to map and all, right? So our aim should be like we need to map all the ones. Okay, so even if it is repeating, then you need to map it. You see here, some people what they will do is, just for your understanding, okay, now you see here, this is mapping is done. Okay, now some people what they will do is, again already the 3 is mapped and 7 is mapped, right? Already these are mapped, still they will map again and they will write a pair, but that is wrong. Okay, there is no need of mapping once again. Okay, because these ones are already mapped, and if you are mapping then you will get another sum of the products term. Okay, that is not required. Okay, your aim should be like all the ones should be mapped. Okay, all the ones should be mapped, and you need to see all the ones are mapped and no need of repetition, right, if all the ones are mapped. Okay, so I hope you have understood the concept of 4 variable k map. So if you have any doubt in this, you can just give me a message. Okay, we can clarify the doubt. Okay, if any doubt is required. Okay, if any doubts are present, right. So if you have understood the 4 variable k map, so then please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you.